A personal mission statement can help you identify your values and your goals. It also makes sure that your decisions are in alignment with those goals. And in this video, we're going to craft a personal mission statement, so stay tuned for that. A personal mission statement, it's designed to help you identify your values, your goals, define what matters to you both personally and professionally. It makes decision-making easier for you as well because it helps you clarify whether a decision you're making is in alignment with what you truly want for your life. It's composed of three things. The first, well, those are your skills. These are the skills and ability that you already possess. The second, these are your personality traits. This is how you operate, how you work. And you'll find a lot of great videos online that talk into personality traits and personality profiles. And I encourage you to watch those. And third, it encompasses your values, your dreams, and your passions. It tells you why you want to excel. This personal mission statement is important because it helps you focus on how to meet your long-term goals. And it serves as a guidepost for where you want to go in your life. The cost of writing a mission statement is small, but the payoff is huge because simply put, it works. So how do we go about doing it? Well, this is gonna be really easy. First thing, get a piece of paper and a pen because I'm gonna write a bunch of stuff down. The first thing you wanna write down, well, just start scribbling what's the most important thing to you. And by most important, I mean, what are the personal things that you like to do? What are the career objectives that you're seeking? Where do you want to go? Anything that's important to you in your life, just write it down right now. Give consideration to who you are today and also who you want to be in the future. Great, you've written that down. Now the next thing, this is a chance to articulate your most important goals. Now you may have already done a goal setting exercise, and if you hadn't, well, that's something that we can cover in another video. But use this to set some goals right now. What qualities would you like others to attribute to you? Where would you like to be in your career? Do you have a specific job title? Is there a certain level you want to get to? What do you want to achieve professionally? And what would you like to achieve personally or in your community? Now, there's this great book by Simon Sinek called Start With Why. And when you're doing this statement, understanding the why is critical. When you create a goal, that goal needs to have a really good reason. So why is it that you set these goals? Make sure they're your goals and not the goals of someone else that's been inflicted on you, either through media or through personal interactions with others who have different aspirations than your own. Make sure they're your goals. Truly understand the why. How do your goals make you a better person? Your mission statement should answer all of these questions in 50 words or fewer. In fact, really it should be one sentence if possible. So now we've written several things down. We've written down what's most important to us, we've written down goals, we've written down reasons why we want to do things, where we want to be, why we want to be there. We've got a lot written down. What's next? Well, now that you have this, you should talk to people close to you. Talk to your peers, talk to people who have a really close personal relationship, and ask them, what do they consider to be your greatest strengths? Sometimes our greatest strengths are hidden from us, but others, it's apparent to them. Ask others about your greatest strengths and what makes you exceptional to others that have similar skill sets. How are you different than people who do the same type of work or the same type of activities or involved in the same types of organizations? And lastly, with your peer, with your friend, with somebody that's your confidant, write down a few words that you want to come to mind when people think of you. What are the words that somebody instantly thinks of when they hear your name? Write those down. Next, as you're doing this, determine what the legacy is that you want to leave. How do you want the world to be different because you were here? What do you hope to change or create that will be lasting? Who do you want to support with your unique skills and abilities? What skills do you have that will help you achieve what it is you want to do? And what do you consider to be your primary purpose? What qualities, talents, abilities do you have that you have to offer to others? And when we're talking about the mission, what mission or what vision for yourself motivates you? What gets you out of bed in the morning? Now we can structure these statements. We're going to create a few different ones and you're going to land on where you want to go. but the structure of them will all be very similar. It will start with something along the lines of I will and an action word. And then it will have the word for and some audience. And then the word by and some skill or set of skills. And the word to and then some desired result. I will do some action for this audience by using these skills to this desired result. And that will help you structure that mission statement for yourself. Now we want to keep this short, ideally one sentence. The purpose is to focus only on what matters most to help you identify that one thing. So try writing down 5 words that describe you. We talked about that a little earlier. And your purpose. Use that list of 5 words. Try writing down 2 words that describe you. Use that 2 words for your purpose. Narrow it down from the work you've done above to just a single set of thoughts or a single statement that crystallizes your personal mission. You're essentially getting to the point where you think of one word and you write that word down. And use this word as an inspiration to help keep you and your personal mission alive and active. And it's also a way to keep it short. Now you need to be true to yourself. Your mission statement should reflect your greatest passion and what you believe your long-term purpose is. Know that it's okay to make changes in the mission statement. After all, we all grow, we all evolve, things change. This is not set in stone. It's something that you should consider a living representation of yourself. And it's something that you can, during your personal journey, evolve and change. Now using that, those trusted people in your life, get their feedback. Once you've actually created this personal mission statement, talk to them about it. Get buy-in, get some support there. Oftentimes, those in our close personal world can provide important insights that help improve upon the statement and also help us accomplish our mission. Now, once you have this, and once you're feeling really good about it, print it, frame it, put it in your office, put it in your bedroom, put it in your bathroom, put it someplace where you're going to see it on a regular basis as a reminder of where you're going and what your mission is. I'll give you a few examples. Some famous, some not so famous. Here's one: to be a teacher and to be known for inspiring my students to be more than they thought they could be. That's Oprah Winfrey's. Amanda Steinberg, founder of Daily Worth, said, to use my gifts of intelligence, charisma, and serial optimism to cultivate the self-worth and net worth of women around the world. And here's some others. To serve as a leader by encouraging innovative ideas and forward thinking so that our team can create technology solutions that will improve the lives of others. To use my gifts as a speaker to improve the self-worth of people around the world. To improve the well-being of people and businesses throughout the world. And these are some examples that you can consider. So sit down with that piece of paper, start working on this, create your personal mission statement, get the input, get the feedback, get the thoughts of other people in your personal life. And then once you've finished it, use it. Use it as that guidepost. So when you're put in a situation where you're not really sure if you should do something or not, or you're giving an opportunity to take that might change the current path you're on, look at that personal mission statement. And is that opportunity, or is that plan, or is that offer, is that thing that you're about to do consistent with your personal mission? If it is, continue forward. And if it's not, ask yourself, am I getting directed the wrong way? Or am I changing personally? And does my personal mission statement need to evolve? Either way, it'll help you grow. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. I make videos every week. If you like it, I would love for you to subscribe and click the bell. That would certainly be appreciated. If you do something different here, maybe you set a set of goals and then you carve those into mission statements, or maybe you do something completely different around the world of personal mission statements, I'd love to hear that too. I'd also like to hear some really good examples of other personal mission statements. So if you can think of any, just put them down in the comments. That would be really helpful. Thanks for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.